This is an electrical receptacle from the Dominican Republic. Let's have a close look at this. I don't know who wired this one, but where I'm staying, the electrical is, well, it's a little interesting. Looks like we have pretty standard 120 volt receptacle with black for a hot, white for a neutral, and green for a ground. And it has these screws here. It looks like it bites down like one of these spec grade receptacles. You can insert 2 wires here and fasten that down. And instead of that, the choice here was as you can see, there's 2 neutral wires here. Looks like they were wrapped here with electrical tape. They were probably very likely bonded together. No wire nuts used. But instead of inserting the 2 wires here, they did this little pigtail here, so if the outlet were to burn out, so that way you're not cutting your way into the box. It was also done with the black wire here and the ground wire. Looks like we got a pull string here because there is some type of PVC in there. It doesn't look like Schedule 40. It looks like the steel box, it's not bonded. Anti-flame wire. Very nice. For this concrete tropical home, a thin wall PVC reaches into the box. Maybe this needs a grommet. So conduit box adapters are seemingly pointless when everything is embedded into the brick and mortar. I'm used to 6x32 screws, but it looks like someone grabbed these pointy screws and jammed them into a handy box, which can damage the wire. And for some strange reason, it says 15 amps here. Looks like there's a rating of 127 to 250 volts. I didn't bring my multimeter with me here. With good judgment, it looks like the neutral is side up. And I think that's it. Hope you liked this video. Comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll keep making more content for you. Thanks for watching. And until next time.